Hello and welcome to Play CCN. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. There has been a chorus of calls from industry groups around the globe seeking to formally recognise indoor air pollution as a risk to human health. The calls are being driven by the global pandemic, which has led to a number of new laws being introduced. For example, Belgium recently mandated CO2 meters in bars and restaurants. European HVAC and Building Engineering Associations issued a statement this week pointing out that the proper use of indoor air quality systems will help reduce the transmission of COVID-19 in office spaces and elsewhere. Currently, it is only outdoor pollution that is recognised as a risk to human health. The proposal lists ways to clean up indoor air with proper mechanical ventilation, IAQ technologies, and building automation and control systems. Early this month, I participated in an IAQ roundtable hosted by Rentokil, where every panellist called for new standards to address the compliance gaps here in Australia. I'm sure we'll be hearing a lot more about this topic in coming months. Toshiba has confirmed that it is continuing its search for a new CEO. It plans to narrow down a list in coming months. Its previous CEO stood down in April. Meanwhile, the Toshiba board is yet to reach a decision on whether to pursue going private, as talks with investors on the company's strategic direction continue. According to a Bloomberg report, the board said it has not yet decided on the most appropriate course of action, but it is in active dialogue with potential investors. However, there are multiple issues related to a potential privatisation that would need to be resolved, the company said. Reports from China reveal a significant surge in the price of commonly used refrigerants such as R134A, R125 and R410A. According to a report in the Cooling Post, the price of R125 hit record highs at the end of August and followed a price increase of 48% in a single week. The report said this latest rise represents an increase of 70.2% from the beginning of August and a year-on-year increase of 175%. The increases have been attributed to a jump in the cost of raw materials. The ARBS exhibition has been rescheduled yet again. The exhibition was all set to go ahead in April next year. Now it will take place on the 16th to the 18th of August 2022. The decision was made this week as a result of the ongoing COVID-19 crisis. CCN has also been forced to make a decision about CCN Live, which is being held on the 5th of November this year. The event was to take place in Melbourne, but we have made the decision to make it a virtual event. The first part of the conference will be panel discussion on unlocking the cold chain, and then we will announce the winners of the HVAC&R Leadership Awards. It will be a free virtual event, so everyone is welcome to participate. Well, that's our headlines for this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.